Attention! Investors wanted. WipeBOT is a new patent-pending sanitation appliance. It's compact and easy to install next to every toilet. Its sole focus is to improve hygiene, effectively reducing the amount of bacteria and viruses in every restroom. Let's see what WipeBOT can do. As you enter the restroom, start by sanitizing your hands. Next, using a cleaning wand, tear off a disinfection tissue and thoroughly wipe the top of the toilet seat. The ergonomic handle will help you to avoid direct skin contact and allow you to dispose of the tissue in a trash container touch-free. Once you leave the restroom, WipeBOT scans the restroom and a two-stage disinfection begins. First, a UVC ultraviolet lighting panel is activated to kill bacteria and viruses left by the previous visitor. Second, the ultraviolet air disinfection module is turned on to circulate air and disinfect it for airborne pathogens. For your convenience, a countdown timer is placed on the entrance door, showing each visitor exactly how much time is left for disinfection to complete. This ultra-durable commercial unit is designed for hospitals, restaurants, medical clinics, offices, and all other public spaces where frequent disinfection is required. With your investor dollars, we can finish the design and manufacturing of this new, amazing device and start making shipments worldwide. This is a seed round seeking to raise $3 million. To contact us and invest, please visit us at www.wipebot.com. WipeBOT, sanitation station for every restroom.